friends, it's Victor with you and welcome to my YouTube channel. Here I trade binary options on the PocketOption platform, and in the description below this video you'll find a link to my Telegram channel where you can ask me any questions you have. You'll also find a link to my private Telegram channel where I share my daily trading signals. I also run weekly marathons to help you increase your deposit from $150 to $5,000. This happens every week, as I said, so make sure to join this marathon. In addition, if you text me on Telegram, you will get a link to sign up for PocketOption, which will give you 50% of the deposit as a free bonus, so make sure to take it. So as we can see, the price has broken through resistance level after a rapid growth, but I expect a pullback, so I go on sale at $200. Let's talk about Japanese candles today. Surprisingly, the fact is that Japanese candlesticks are more than 250 years old, but Western traders learned about them only in the 90s of the last century. Before them, traders used bars, and the progenitor of technical analysis, Charles Dow, even used an exotic variant now, such as the tic-tac-toe chart. Back in the days when Godzilla was just a tiny lizard, Japanese traders actively traded to rise. Like all stock speculators, they needed a method of technical analysis. The price we see on the chart is just a set of numbers. The price can change several times per second, so we need a method to organize and display the price movement in a graphical form. The method of analyzing prices for different time frames, time intervals, that's how the beautiful Japanese candles was born. This is the method that displays the price movement for the period we choose. Meanwhile, the deal closed at $364. So the price has gone down, so I think you can turn around to buy for $200. I remember my first date with a Japanese candle very well, when I didn't immediately understand what it was. To understand its essence, you need to liberate abstract thinking a little. Fortunately, I had a wonderful book, Breakthroughs in Technical Analysis, it was called, where in one of the chapters, the Japanese Yosuke Shibutsu, sorry for pronunciation, presented very illustrative examples that immediately put everything in its place. Let's assume that we have selected a time frame of 5 minutes on the chart. During these 5 minutes, one Japanese candle will be drawn on the chart. This is how a green or white on black and white charts Japanese candle is formed. If the price has gone lower, it is a red candle. It's also black on some charts. It's perfectly clear that the shadow of the candle is its maximum value, and the body is formed by the opening and closing prices for the selected period of time. The Japanese candle itself is a powerful indicator. There is an opinion that American traders were introduced to candles by Steve Nissen, to whom they were described by a Japanese trader. Meanwhile, the deal brought me $364 plus. So the price rolled back to the entry point after closing. It looks like we need to turn around and go on sale for $200 again. So what are types of Japanese candlesticks? There are a lot of candles on the chart, but all of them can be divided into the following 3 subtypes. Bullish candlesticks, green. For these candles, the closing price is always greater than the opening price. Bearish candles, red. And here, on the contrary, the price started higher and during the life of the candle fell lower. Finally, doji is when the opening and closing values of a candle coincide. candles from in a variety of shapes and sizes. For example, one of my favorite candles is called Mariboso. Mariboso, sorry for pronunciation again. It's a candle without shadows or with tiny shadows, one solid full body. Now let's see what kind of signal this or what candle can give. Candles do not need to be perceived as a signal by themselves. Their value is interpreted depending on which market zone they are in, which candlestick are located nearby, and on other factors. All this is explored in the price action, but for now we will focus on the Japanese classics. And the deal brought me $364. Price has gone down well. I think it's better to turn around and go into the purchase for $200. Reversal candles. The main thing that everyone is interested in is, of course, which candlestick can confirm the market reversal. Candles that guarantee this haven't yet been invented, but there are very good copies. Takuri, Shadow Down. One of the main candlesticks that the Japanese immediately point to is Takuri. The Americans call it a pin bar, where pin is the shadow of a candle that is longer than the body. Another name is henge. It's also hanging man. A bunch of names, the essence is the same. According to the Japanese, the specific color and body size of such a candle doesn't play a special role. The main thing that should be the lower shadow, which is much longer than the body. This is the difference between Takuri and Mariboso above, where the shadow is equal to the length of the body. Takuri at the bottom and hang at the top, shooting star, shadow up. And this is the reverse version of Takuri. Here the shadow is directed upwards. Such candles reflect, of course, investor psychology. Meanwhile, deal brought me $364. Perhaps I will turn around for sale. Since the price is so walking, I go to $200. Remember, pin bars cannot be used as an independent signal. If you find a good confirmation for pin bars, they can become the basis or complement for your trading strategy. As a result, many systems are based on pin bars. Candle combinations. The book by Steve Nissen, Gregory Morris, and Stephen Bigelow feature hundreds of candle combinations. There are very many of them. So what I want to say about that? You won't memorize hundreds of variations of these candles. You won't be able to remember like 80% of them. And no one remember them all except absolutely fanatics. The secret of successful trading is not at all how many candles and their combinations you have memorized. It's enough to choose 3 or 4 combinations and integrate them into your trading system. In this set, there should be Takuri and Mariboso on the most powerful candles, and the rest will be selected depending on which candle you are more often able to find on chart. Candlesticks are drawn to differently in Forex and in the stocks market. Be sure to read what the differences are. So the deal brought me $364 again. So guys, today I'm finishing with a deposit of $8,984. And I thank you for watching this video till the end. I hope you like it. Don't forget to write your comments down below and make sure to subscribe to this channel because there is always only useful information and the most interesting analysis. So that's all for today. I wish you luck in your trading sessions and see you in the next one. Bye.